think that's recording. Check one, yep. Welcome everyone, this is the unboxing of the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Completely done live on Twitch, but if this video goes really well, I will bring it over to YouTube and do all my unboxing streams on YouTube instead. Leave a like, drop a comment down below, let me know what your favorite thing is about the iPhone 13 Pro Max, what iPhone you're using right now, anything Apple related, you guys will enjoy it. But without any further ado, let's get onto it. Standard iPhone box, pretty normal. Just cover up the stuff that people have to worry about. We got the ASMR for the rip. Even the boxes are fingerprint magnets. And I'm gonna do what the kit. Oh wait, there was a second one. I'm gonna do what the kid over in Perth did. Welcome back to Twitch. Thank you. I like you a lot. So I'm gonna put a screen protector straight on this, but this is the new iPhone 13 Pro Max. Yeah, already a fingerprint magnet. Gee, that's interesting. So in the box you get the iPhone. Turn that off that way. You get your USB-C to Lightning. Wait, why is that paused? There we go. You got your USB-C to Lightning port cable, and then you get the typical warranty manual, the SIM key, even though we probably won't need that, and the Apple sticker. Oh, that's why the router went down. Yeah. So that's the standard stuff that you get. You just want to double check my stream. Okay. So that's all the stuff that you get in the box. Now, I religiously don't use my cables because people seem to like them new out of the box, kind of look and feel. But what I have done is I've already gone and invested in a new screen protector and in a MagSafe case. So this bad boy won't get any scratches on its screen, and it won't get any scratches on the back, and hopefully it will stop any fingerprints from happening, which will be fun, which will be good. So let's start off first. Also funny, they're trying to reduce waste by taking away the charging port but give you a sticker. But the sticker, like, it's all about the sticker. Whoa. Making you guys shake. So Belkin do a really good job with their let's just move the box over here, with their screen protector and the way that it is put on. So basically they give you this little contraption and you lift up, if it's going to work. Yep, there we go. So you lift it up, you follow the instructions, and then it perfectly puts it onto your phone. This is always going to be fun, as always. Oh look, you can even see me in the reflection. Hey guys. We will plonk that into there. Now, there shouldn't be anything on the screen already because it's literally just been put down. But, just to make sure that I am doing it right, you get the dust removal sticker. Looks pretty okay. I don't actually need that, so I'm just going to put that over the side. Now, you pull off the black tab number 1, and then you bring it down, and just like that, you can see it starting to seal up. you grab the little cloth that they give you with it, and you just come and wipe through all the air bubbles that you see around the edges, make sure that it's all good to go. Really push that down, make sure it's all on firm, even up the top. And then you grab number 2. And I knew that was going to do that. And you pull up number 2. And then you just push out the last of those air bubbles again. And there you have it, 100% screen protected, and it is a beauty. Okay, so now we take the fingerprint magnet out and get rid of all the junk. Keep the microfiber cloth because it comes in handy. Is Mum getting the old one? I don't know what I'm doing with the old one yet. I may keep it for a spare webcam for doing the unboxings that I do. And then we have the case. Now the case, I do have another case coming because I'm not a fan of the open back cases, but it will do for now to keep it protected. And we just plonk that straight into there, and there we go. We have one cased up protected iPhone. And as always, clear. Pretty much get nothing in the iPhone accessories. Nothing at all, it just tells you how to put it in. There's a card here, how to place out the bubbles. No, there isn't. Oh. So that is it. That is it all done and all cased up and ready to go. That is the unboxing of the new iPhone 13 Pro Max.